So with the controlled pause, the exhale, there's a pause before you breathe back in. So the controlled pause is a measurement. First thing in the morning or right now, you're just going to breathe all the way out, dump all the air possible out of your lungs and start to count. And you start to count up until you feel the need to breathe in again. So all the way out. 17 seconds. So that's less than 20, which puts me in an at-risk category. I would get stressed if I exercise. If I can get my controlled pause above 20, which I would, if I continued that exercise, it would improve. That's the goal here, is you're going to gauge your controlled pause of your first exhale, count, write that down, whatever that second mark is, and then return to that same exercise and try to increase it over time. A very, very healthy controlled pause is around 40 seconds for reference, but anything 5 to 10 seconds you're going to see in the elderly and the sick. Anything sub 20 seconds is suboptimal for an athlete. And then anything from 20 to 40 seconds is going to give them the ability to maintain their endurance and their activity levels during an exercise. Like I said, just a little simple little exercise. It's a controlled pause.